Let's get you a quick breaking update. This is about the Puducherry floor test. Now that has been scheduled for the 22nd of this month. Do remember we've seen some bit of turmoil there, particularly for the Congress that now is in a minority. You're looking at Tamilisai Soundararajan, who earlier has been sworn in as the LG. Apurva breaking more details of that big story for us. Apurva, what more do we know about this and what have we heard from the Congress? Do they still believe they have the numbers?
That's right. In fact, just a few minutes back, we had seen that the order has come in for the Lieutenant Governor, the newly appointed Lieutenant Governor, Tamilisai Soundararajan, who has issued orders demanding that the numbers from both the opposition as well as the ruling party must be taken into account. A special assembly session will be held on 22nd February. On that date, both the ruling party and the opposition will have to prove their numbers in the assembly on 22nd by 5 p.m. is what the order has stated. Not only that, remember just a few minutes before this order had come in, both the ruling party, Narayanaswamy, Chief Minister Narayanaswamy had come and met with Tamilisai Soundararajan as well. We also saw the opposition party leaders, including that of senior leaders of NR Congress, AIADMK and BJP, who had met with Tamilisai Soundararajan, and they had also said that very soon, the Lieutenant Governor will be giving a strong announcement, is what they had said. And rightly so, a few minutes after Narayanaswamy had left, we saw the DGP and CS
also having a meeting with the Lieutenant Governor as well. Following this meeting, this order comes in just on the day that the new Lieutenant Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan has taken charge. So definitely things are heating up as far as the numbers are concerned. So far, the Congress DMK alliance has almost 13 members, exclude 13 members, and the opposition, which is including NR Congress, AIADMK and BJP, has 14. So with the speaker included, it's 14-14 each. And now with the numbers at 14-14, what we will have to see is what might be the changes that are most likely expected before the floor test that will be conducted on 22nd. So very interesting developments and very important developments that will take place here ahead of the Puducherry Assembly polls, which are yet to be slated for in April or May this year. So definitely a lot of interesting developments that are coming in. Remember, over the last 45 days, almost 4 MLAs had resigned from the Congress DMK alliance, leaving the Congress, which was in a majority, now with 14 members, 14 MLAs, and now the BJP, AIADMK and the NR Congress alliance is also standing at 14 members as well. So definitely we will have to look into what will the floor test bring, what is going to be the option, because several times, time and again, the opposition parties had demanded that the Chief Minister of Puducherry, V. Narayanaswamy, resign, and because he did not have enough numbers. In fact, today as well, a senior BJP leader had spoken with us today, Exclusive Republic, and he had also stated that the numbers are not there with V. Narayanaswamy, the Congress DMK alliance.